Okay, I'm at the bottom of p48. The top of p48, 1 and 2, were just problems very similar to what we went over in the last couple videos. So I didn't feel like I needed to make a video on it, but of course, if you have questions, don't hesitate to raise your hand. Okay, number 3, though, on page p48. Let's get started. Fiona starts at the beginning of a hiking trail and walks 4/5 of a mile. She counts the mileage markers that are placed every 1/10 of a mile along the trail. How many markers does she count? Okay, so what we want to know is, in 4/5 of a mile, which is what we start with, it's how far she walked, we want to know how many 1/10 there are in 4/5. If we want to know how many of something is in something else, we divide. So in order to divide, we use copy, change, flip. Copy, change, flip. I'm going to cross simplify. 5 goes into 10 2 times. 5 goes into 5 1 time. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. And 8 over 1 is equivalent to 8. So she counted 8 markers. Okay, number 4. If Amanda hikes an average speed of 2.72 miles per hour, how long will it take her to hike 6.8 miles? Okay. So again, we're trying to find out how much she does in 1 mile. Wait, let me see. Hold on, sorry. Yeah. How long will it, if she goes 2.72 per hour, how long will it take her to do 6.8? So again, to solve this, can't have our decimal out here. So we have to move it over twice to get rid of it or hide it behind the 2. So we have to move the decimal twice on the inside. So outside, we moved it over twice to hide it behind the 2. 1, 2. And then inside, we moved over 1, 2. And there's going to be a space here, so you put the 0 placeholder. Move your decimal straight up. And then you divide. Okay, I'll let you do the division part on your own, but just think this is close to 300, so I would start with that. How many times is 300 going to 680? And then you can go from there. All right, number 5. The area of a rectangle is 5 4/5 square meters. So that's the area. The width of the rectangle is 2 1/4 meter, which is the best estimate for the length of the rectangle. Okay, so we're estimating. No rules on estimating, unlike rounding, but we still want to be as close as we can to the actual. So the area, I'm going to estimate the area, 5 4/5, or if we change that to a decimal, it would be 5.8. That is pretty close to, sorry about that. That is pretty close to 6. 6 meters. And the width, so let's just draw this little rectangle. The width is 2 1/4. Well, 2 1/4 is about 2. And we want to know what the length is. That's what we don't know. Well, we know the area is 6. And we know to find the area of a rectangle, area equals length times width. So 2 times what is going to give me 6? Well, 2 times 3. So the best estimate is 3 square meters. Always helps to draw a model. Lillian bought 2.52 pounds of tomatoes. and 1.26 pounds of lettuce to make a salad for 18 people. If each person got the same amount, so same amount, that's telling me, okay, it looks like we're probably dividing of salad. How much salad did each person get? Yeah. So first we want to combine the weight of the tomato and the lettuce. So we have to add the poundage for the tomatoes and the poundage for the lettuce. So that's the whole salad, right? These both are part of the salad. Part will give us the whole of the salad. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. When you're adding decimals, we line them up. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's the total poundage. And then we're dividing that by 18 people. So no decimal out here. We bring the decimal straight up and then go ahead and work out your division. I'll let you do that on your own, and that will show you how much pounds of lettuce or salad, each one of those 18 people will get. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.